Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Suraj here. In this video, we are going to have a little quiz of current affairs. I hope you all find this video useful. Let's get started. Here comes our first question along with the option, and the question is: where is the Central Institute of Barishwater Aquaculture located? You got 9 seconds left, and you can guess the answer in time. The time is up. The correct answer is option D, Chennai. And we have reference note for the answer. The Central Institute of Barkish Water Aquaculture CIBA is located in Chennai. The Institute of Function undergoes the airs for the Indian Council of Agriculture Research. The institute has recently developed an endogenous vaccine for the viral nervous diseases, a viral disease that affects the several fish species. We got second question along with the options. We got timer. As per the recent guidelines of the RBI, what is the tenure of for which the financial interests must appoint statutory auditors? You can guess the answer. The correct answer is option C, 3 years. The notes for the reference answer. The Union Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation has recently released a report titled Women and Men in India 2020. The reporter has been published by the MoSPI since 1995, and this year the reporter is 20th in the series. It provides gender related data for policymakers, planners, and the other stakeholders. We got third question and the options. The timer is 14 seconds. What is the pattern to which was seen in the news recently for the beginning standards of the Pacific Ocean floor? You can guess the answer. Time is up. The correct answer is option C, mining robot. The reference note for the answer. Seabed mining robot, which was began tested on the Pacific Ocean floor at a depth of more than 4 kilometers, has become dispatched. Patania 2 is a 25-ton mining robot prototype which was began tested by a global sea mining mineral resources. The deep sea exploration division of the famous degrading company DEME Group. The robot was meant to collect the noodles rich in the colobat and the other bacteria materials found on the seabed. We got fourth question and the options. The timer. Which type of mummy was discovered for the first time in the Warsaw Mummy Project? You can guess the answer. The time is up. The correct answer is option B, pregnant mummy. The notes for the answer. Researchers have discovered the world's first known pregnant mummy in the Warsaw Mummies Project. The mummy, which is said to be dating from the 1st century in the Egypt, has been found inside the coffin belonging to the male priest. The mummy was donated to the University of Warsaw in Poland in 1826. This discovers the helps the researchers to go rather fast hand evidences of the parental health in an ancient times. We got fifth question and the option. Indian Army has inaugurated the first green solar energy harnessing plants in which state? And now the time is up. The correct answer is option B, Sikkim. The reference note for the answer. Indian Army inaugurated the first green solar energy harness plant of 56 kVA in North Sikkim at an altitude of 16,000 feet. The project, which uses the vanadium based battery technology, was completed in the collaboration with IIT in Mumbai. India has fixed a target of producing 175 gigawatt of renewable energy by 2022. Here comes our sixth question along with the options, and we got timer 2. Crew 1 is associated with the which energy agency? Sorry. Time is up. The correct answer is option B, SpaceX. The notes for the answer. The Crew 1 Dragon capsule belonging to the SpaceX has successfully returned from the outer space from the International Space Station ISS to the Earth. The capsule returned and NASA, Michael Hopkins, Victoria Grover, Siobhan Walker, and Japanese astronaut Shoshi Nagasaki back to the Earth from ISS. It made a parachute landing into the Gulf of Mexico. Here comes our seventh question along with the options and the timer. Mark Salba is the world champion for the fourth time in which sports? You can guess the answer. Now the time is up. The correct answer is option B, snooker. The notes for the answer. Mark Salbe became the world champion for the fourth time in the game of soccer. The eighth player won the championship defeating the Sean Murphy at Sheffield, England. Salbe has also moved up to the second spot in the world rankings, the next only to the Jude Trump. Mark Salbe is an English professional snooker player who has won 20 ranking title and 7th place on the all-time list of the ranking tournament wins. Here comes our 8th question along with the options and timer. The question is, what is Winco 19? You can guess the answer in 8 seconds. Now the time is up. The correct answer is option D, engineered antibody product. The notes for the answer. Winco 19 is an engineered therapeutic antibiotic which has been found to effective neurologist SARS-CoV-2. It has been engineered in a collaborative effort by Universities of Hyderabad, CSIR Center for the Circular and Muscular Biology, and WIMS Bioproducts Limited. This has obtained the approval from the Drugs Control General of India for clinical trials. Here comes our 9th question along with the options and timer. N protein has been found to be associated with what? The time. Now the time is up and the correct answer is option A, coronavirus. The reference note for the answer. That a team of researchers in India Institute of Science, Education and Research, Bhopal have studied N protein in the coronavirus. It has been found that this N protein promote the incorporation of the spike protein into the viral particles. The infinity levels of the virus have been found to significantly vary with the levels of N protein present in it. We got a final question along with the options and timer. Satyajit says the legendary filmmakers and the auditors was from which state? The time is up. The correct answer is option C, West Bengal. The reference note for the answer. Satyajit Ray was an Indian filmmaker, author, lyricist, magazine editor, and music composer. He belonged to the West Bengal and was a recipient of the Padma Bhushan in 1965, Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 1985, and the Bharat Ratna. To promote his achievement, the Union Information and the Broadcasting Minister has announced that it will be organized a year-long century celebrations of the filmmaker in India and abroad.